Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about the WeCool Moonwalk Mini Earbuds. These wireless earphones come with a magnetic charging case and are packed with a bunch of features. So, let's dive into the specs. The WeCool Moonwalk Mini Earbuds are manufactured by WeCool Imports and Trading Private Limited and come in a compact size of 3x1, 5x1.5 centimeters and weigh just 34 grams. These earbuds require one Ah battery to function, which is included in the package. They are compatible with laptops, Android, and iPhone devices and come with Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, which provides a stable and secure connection for an uninterrupted music experience. The earbuds also feature AI-powered environmental noise cancellation (ENC) technology for noise-free and hands-free calling. The multi-function button control allows you to play, pause, switch between tracks, receive, reject calls, and activate voice assistants like Siri and OK Google. The earbuds are designed to fit securely and comfortably in your ears, making them ideal for sports and other physical activities. They also come with 3 sets of ear tips to ensure a perfect fit. The charging case can recharge the earbuds up to 6 times and comes with a digital battery indicator, which shows the remaining battery life of the earbuds. Now let's talk about my personal experience with the WeCool Moonwalk Mini Earbuds. I must say that I'm impressed with the sound quality, especially considering the price point of just 649 rupees. The bass is punchy and the treble is clear, making it an enjoyable listening experience. The earbuds fit comfortably in my ears, and I didn't have to readjust them even during my workout. The Bluetooth connectivity is fast and reliable, and I haven't faced any connectivity issues so far. The multi-function button is easy to use and responsive, making it convenient to switch between tracks and receive calls. The digital battery indicator on the charging case is a nice touch, and it helps me keep track of the remaining battery life of the earbuds. The only downside I could find is that the battery life of the earbuds could have been better. They provide around 5 hours of continuous playtime, which is decent but not great. However, the charging case can be used to recharge the earbuds up to 6 times, which means you can get up to 30 hours of listening time with the charging case. Now let's talk about the price. At just 649 rupees, these earbuds offer a lot of value for money. They come with a bunch of features that are usually found in more expensive earbuds. Overall, I would highly recommend the WeCool Moonwalk Mini Earbuds to anyone looking for an affordable and feature-packed wireless earphone option. So that's it for my review of the WeCool Moonwalk Mini Earbuds. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more product reviews and tech-related content. Thanks for watching.